Hi guys. Welcome back to FA Trades. In this video we will discuss GoCharting platform. GoCharting is an advanced charting and order flow tool. It provides footprint charts not only for crypto, but also for stocks, commodities, forex, and futures. If you want to learn more about this platform, you can check out Academy section for training materials, blogs and video tutorials. It offers few different products, like charts which include traditional and footprint charts. Also a trading terminal so that you can trade directly by linking your exchange. Then we have options desk. It provides data for options market. After that we have economic calendar. Finally, community analysis where traders share their ideas and analysis. GoCharting has both web and mobile app versions, so you can access it from both smartphone and desktop. Let's move to charts section. Its basic overview is similar to TradingView. Here you can search different instruments, change time frames or add custom time frames here. Here you can select different chart types, including footprint clusters and range bars. Here we have indicators/study section. You can add various indicators to your charts. I mainly use only order flow indicators from here, but we have indicators about different chart patterns, crypto-related tools, stock-related financials, options-related Greeks, momentum-related indicators, my favorite order flow tools, different oscillators, chart overlay indicators, and third-party add-ons. Then in template section, you can save your indicator templates. You can backtest your setup using replay function. In the left menu, we have settings, chart layers and drawings, alerts manager for adding and managing alerts, trade book to see trades in real time. You can also filter trade size here. DOM, depth of market to visualize limit bids and asks. You can also place your limit orders directly on DOM. Here you can see all crypto-related news. You can add different pairs in watch list. In the right menu, we have different drawing shapes and tools. Let me just close these left and right menu for better view. In the bottom menu, we have different layouts for multiple charts in different formats. Here you can change chart theme. Finally, we have layout templates. Here you can save and share your layouts. These are my layouts for volume profile, market profile, and footprint charts. All these layout links will be in video description. Let's start with volume profile layout. It has a volume profile. I am using tick volume profile so it has more accurate and precise data. Also, it's a daily volume profile. It shows volume distribution on price for each day. It has different components. In light green is value area where 68% of all daily volume is traded. In red color is POC point of control, its price level where most volume is traded. Next we have market profile layout. Here again I am using market profile tick version for more precise data. Market profile shows distribution of time on different price levels for each day. It also has similar components as volume profile like value area and point of control. If you zoom in, you will see different profile periods, like a period, B period, etc. These periods have their own importance. Market and volume profile has their own shapes and structures. Market profile has anomalies, like tails and poor highs, lows. I will make separate detailed videos on these later. Then we have these footprint layouts. Let's discuss the first one. Here we have bid and ask cluster chart and bar statistics. For proper visualization, we have to zoom in here. On left side of footprint chart, we have bids, which are market sell orders, while on the right side we have asks, which are market buy orders. In the bar statistic we have total volume, buy and sell volume, total delta, and max and min delta for absorptions. Just like volume profile, every candle has its own value area and POCs, shown by background shading. Here we usually look at relatively large volumes in delta. In this way we can see the buyers and sellers positions, and we will use this information to make informed trading decisions. There are many components of footprint charts, like imbalances, trapped traders, delta absorption, which we will discuss in footprint and profile series. Next, let's move to second cluster chart. This is also a footprint charts, but it's delta profile, which shows which side buyers or sellers are dominant inside candle. Red zones are areas where sellers are dominant, while green are where buyers are present. Every candle cluster has its own value area and point of control. This is area where most volume, around 68%, is traded. Don't worry if you don't understand these footprint charts, market and volume profiles, as we will discuss these in future series on footprints. It's just a basic overview of GoCharting platform and order flow clusters. There are different pre-built footprint templates, which you can utilize in your analysis. Delta profile displays delta, which is market buys, market sells. Bid-ask profile shows market sells / bids and market sells / asks. Volume profile shows total volume traded at each price level, and few other templates. So that's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions and suggestions, leave in the comments. See you in the next one. Peace out.